A very good morning to all class 10th students. I hope you all are fine and doing quite good. I am on the chapter agriculture and a few important points are remaining before I conclude this chapter and start with the revision video for your exam. Okay, so yesterday I told you the basic drawbacks of Indian agriculture system, and I told you in detail what are the problems, what are the causes why Indian agriculture system suffers. Today my video will focus on the importance of agriculture. How is agriculture important for India, or what is the contribution of agriculture in the national income or national scenario. देश हित में देश की इनकम में एग्रीकल्चर की क्या भूमिका है, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस एग्रीकल्चर इन द लार्ज रन or in the big picture. If we say the picture that is at the national level, how is agriculture important? Okay, so how is agriculture important, I am going to tell you in different points. But before I tell you, बच्चे, I will share the video with you. I'll share the notes with you. I'm not having my blackboard or whiteboard behind, you can see today, because I am somewhere else. But for you all, I am making this video. So I hope you will understand the video. If there is any problem in the video, you are free to ask me. So agriculture first of all contributes to the national income of India. So first point you will write down that it contributes to the national income of India. Agriculture contributes to 40% of the total national income of India. 40%. Suppose if India is earning 1000 rupees, just an example, it is not earning, income of India is 1000 rupees, 400 rupees come from agriculture straight away. So 40% of India's national income comes from agriculture, and 40% is a big share. Okay, very big share. So agriculture, I would be saying, is the backbone of Indian national income. Next is, it is a source of livelihood. Second point, it is a source of livelihood for the rural sector. In rural sector, you will say most of the people are dependent on agriculture, and most of the laborers, they get their livelihood by working in the fields, whether they are rich or where they are poor, where they are women or child. Agriculture is the source of livelihood, because they get their food grains, they get whatever their clothing and all, whatever income is generated in the rural sector. The rural sector income is basically agricultural income. Okay, so it is a source of livelihood for the people of villages. Third is employment. 60% of the employment in India comes from agriculture. If 100 jobs are there, 60% of the jobs are related to agriculture or agricultural companies. किसी तरीके से डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट एग्रीकल्चर से एसोसिएटेड होगा. तो 60% is a big share, means whole of India, almost more than 50% of the people are dependent on agriculture for their living. So it is a source of employment for a majority. Majority means 60% of the people gets employment from agriculture. Next is state revenues. Revenues means taxes. एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड, एग्रीकल्चरल इंडस्ट्रीज से रिलेटेड टैक्सेस बहुत हाई हैं. तो गवर्नमेंट की इनकम फ्रॉम द एग्रीकल्चर एंड एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट से बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो एग्रीकल्चर इज ए सोर्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इनकम ऑल्सो. स्टेट रेवेन्यूज आर जनरेटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. लैंड रेवेन्यू, farming revenue, all these things are taxes, and these taxes come when agriculture is done. जब खेती होगी तभी इस तरीके के टैक्स मिलेंगे। तो टैक्स का जनरेशन जो है वो भी एग्रीकल्चर पे बहुत डिपेंड करता है। तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट वाज दैट इट इज़ अ सोर्स ऑफ नेशनल इनकम, सेकेंड इट इज़ अ सोर्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, third it is a source of state revenue, and fourth it is a source of livelihood for the rural people. Fifth is industry. Our factories are very much dependent on the agriculture. Cotton, jute, cereals, FMCG सब कहाँ से होती है? खेती तो होती है। ड्राई fruits, everything what we get, processed food, clothing, everything comes from agriculture. So industry is totally dependent. A majority of the industries in India are totally dependent. They are agro based industries only. Agro based, जिनका बेस एग्रीकल्चर है। तो इंडस्ट्री के लिए भी एग्रीकल्चर बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो एग्रीकल्चर हैज़ दिस इम्पोर्टेंस ऑल्सो। ओके, सो if industries have to be developed, if the production has to be developed, the agriculture has to be improved. If the agriculture is down, the industries cannot be up. It is very, very clear. Next important point that it is a source of trade also. चाहे टी हो, चाहे जूट हो, चाहे कॉटन हो, 15% of India's foreign trade, what we export to the different countries, is agricultural produce. हमारी टीवी, हमारी फ्रिज कोई नहीं लेता, लेकिन हमारे स्पाइसेस, हमारा बासमती राइस, हमारा टी, मैंने बताया इंडिया इज द हाईएस्ट प्रोड्यूसर, लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ टी। तो हमारा फॉरेन ट्रेड, इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन एग्रीकल्चर। इफ वी आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग द क्वालिटी एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स, इफ द एग्रीकल्चर इज नॉट गुड, obviously the produce will not be good, and given goods means the inferior quality of produce cannot be taken by western countries or other countries. खराब आइटम हम एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते। तो एग्रीकल्चर का हम बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारे फॉरेन ट्रेड। एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। हर तरीके से हमारी इकोनॉमी एग्रीकल्चर पे बेस्ड है, चाहे नौकरियां हो, चाहे रेवेन्यू हो, चाहे इंडस्ट्री हो, चाहे ट्रेड हो, चाहे एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो। एवरीवेयर वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन एग्रीकल्चर। सो द ओवरऑल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नेशन लाइज इन एग्रीकल्चर। सो एग्रीकल्चर कैन नॉट बी इग्नोर्ड एट एनी कॉस्ट। बिफोर आई एंड दिस वीडियो, I will repeat the points once again. Agriculture contributes to the national income of India. 40% of the total income in India comes from agriculture. It is a source of livelihood for the villages. विलेज में जितने भी लोग नौकरी कर रहे हैं या खेतों में काम कर रहे हैं, सबको नौकरियां एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर से ही मिल रही है। It is a source of revenue for the state governments. Different types of taxes are there, chakbandi, land taxes, all these export taxes, import taxes, जितने भी टैक्स, एग्रीकल्चर टैक्स, सब टैक्स, सारे तरीके के टैक्स गवर्नमेंट को कहाँ मिलते हैं? एग्रीकल्चर से मिलते हैं। ठीक है। इट इज़ अ सोर्स ऑफ फॉरेन ट्रेड। फॉरेन ट्रेड हमारा 15% एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स पे है, टी, जूट, कॉटन, डिफरेंट है। It employs 60% of the people get employment due to agriculture. Agriculture 60% लोगों को employment देता है इंडिया में, directly or indirectly. And last but not the least, agriculture overall contributes to the economic development of the nation. The development of the nation will remain incomplete. Any sector of the nation will remain incomplete. Money will not come, economy will not grow if agriculture will not grow. So it contributes to the overall economic development of the country. I hope the video will be clear to you. If still there are points that need to be clarified, I am sharing you the notes, you can read that. If still there is a problem, you can just give me a call. I hope you will like the video and you will understand what I have taught to you. It's bye for now.